Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will check how to use the Threads mobile app. So first, you need to install the Threads app and then tap on the app icon to open it. After the app opens, you'll see some options on the screen. If you already have an Instagram account, you can log in using it, or you can tap on Use Different Account. I'll go with my existing Instagram account. Next, it will ask you to allow notifications from Threads, so tap on Allow, and there you go. You're on the homepage of Threads. From here, you'll see posts from other users, and you can also create your own. But let's look at more features. In the top left corner, tap on the two lines, and a side menu will open. In this menu, you'll see a plus icon at the top right, which lets you create a custom feed. Enter your feed name, a brief description, and save it. It will be added to your account. Next, the pencil icon also lets you create a new feed, or you can rearrange them by dragging the three lines. Once you're done, let's go back. Now, if you tap on the heart icon, you'll see all the feeds you've liked. And if you tap on the next icon, you'll see all your saved posts. These are the feeds already created on your account. Now, let's go back to the home page and explore more features. At the bottom, if you tap on the message icon, it takes you to your inbox, where you can see all your conversations with friends, and you can also check friend requests. Next, tap on the plus icon in the bottom menu. It lets you create a new post for your feed. You can also upload images with your message, add GIFs, or attach documents. You can even create a quote. If you tap on the three dots icon, you can open your phone's camera, create a poll, or add a location to your post. By using these features, you can easily create a new post. After that, if you tap on the heart icon, it will show all your activity, including notifications from Threads, whether it's from friends, mentions, or conversations. Finally, tap on the person icon to go to your profile page, where you'll find various options. At the top left, if you tap on the lines icon, it will take you to your account insights, where you'll see a summary of your reach and engagement on Threads. From there, you can also use the search bar to find anything, or if you tap on Instagram, it will take you to the Instagram app. When you tap the two lines, it opens a side menu where you'll find settings like notifications, saved posts, likes, archive, privacy, and more, so you can explore them as needed. Now let's go back, and if you tap on Edit Profile, here you can change your username, add a bio, list your interests, or add a link to attach other accounts. After making these changes, tap Done to save. You can also review all your threads, check the replies you have made, media files you have uploaded, and reposts you have created. And that's it. This is the complete, concise overview of how to use Threads on your mobile phone.